Hi guys, I'm Nora. Welcome to Ningbo Marshine. Now I will show this product, single sheave block. It is usually used to pull cable, protect cable from friction, usually applied to the overhead power line and telecommunication cable laying construction. The top part is divided into hook, clevis, and other types, and it can be rotated like this. And this side can be opened. This. And the frame is made of steel or aluminum. The roller is made of aluminum or nylon. The surface is covered with paint or galvanized. The sheave diameter, like this one, is 200 millimeters. The related load is 5 to 20 kilonewton. If you want to know the detailed size information, you can find them in our website. And we can customize the product with special specifications.